In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on ad blocker NordVPN. By the end, you'll have ads and trackers filtered out with NordVPN's built-in tools, and you'll know a few simple checks to make sure everything works smoothly. Start by going to NordVPN. Open the NordVPN app on your device and sign in if you're not already. You don't need any extra plugins for this. The ad blocker is included right inside the app, so everything happens in one place. Once the app is open, look to the left side of the window and select Threat Protection Pro. Depending on your version or device, you might see it labeled as Threat Protection, but the idea is the same. This is the security section that filters harmful domains, trackers, and ads before they ever load. It's more comprehensive than a typical browser extension because it can protect apps and browsers across your system. Inside Threat Protection Pro, scroll down until you find Advanced Settings. This area gathers the more detailed controls so you can fine-tune what's filtered. Take a moment here to notice the different protections available. Understanding them helps you know what to expect as you browse. Now, find Ad Blocker and turn it on. You'll usually see a simple toggle. Switch it to the on position, and the app will apply DNS-level filtering to block common ad servers and tracking scripts. This should reduce pop-ups, banners, and autoplay ads on most sites you visit. If a page is already open in your browser, refresh it to see the change take effect. In some cases, reconnecting the VPN or restarting the app can help apply new filtering rules, especially right after you enable the feature. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If a website doesn't load correctly or certain elements seem broken after turning the ad blocker on, that's often because the site relies on a domain that's now being filtered. You can temporarily pause ad blocking for troubleshooting or allow that site if the app provides an exception option. Also, if you use other ad blocking extensions, consider keeping only one primary blocker active to avoid conflicts or overly aggressive filtering. That's it. You went to NordVPN, opened Threat Protection Pro on the left side, scrolled to Advanced Settings, and turned on Ad Blocker. Browse around to confirm ads are reduced, keep your app updated for the latest filter lists, and adjust exceptions only when necessary. Enjoy a cleaner, faster, and safer web experience with NordVPN's ad blocker enabled.